Oh, let me hear you one more time. Is everyone excited? Well, to get things started today, it is my honor to introduce to the stage Six Flags New England's very own park president, Pete Carmichael.
Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Well, my name is Pete Carmichael. I'm the park president of Six Flags New England, and I couldn't be more proud and excited to join you today as we introduce our brand new Harley Quinn Spinsanity. I would like to extend a warm welcome to everybody that is joining us, but especially a few of our local dignitaries and special members in the audience, including our esteemed mayor of Agawam, William Sapelli, as well as our state representative, Nick Baldega. As New England's largest theme park, Six Flags New England is once again leading the way in innovation and thrill as we open up the Harley Quinn Spinsanity attraction. I know that we're all excited to get on the ride, but I wanted to share just a few fun facts of what we'll be experiencing today. This ride is going to travel up nearly 150 feet into the air, swing in a giant pendulum motion as you spin in a 360-degree circle, and you will hit speeds in excess of 70 miles an hour. In fact, it is our second fastest ride here at the theme park, second only to our King of the Coasters, Superman the Ride. As a park, we are honored to continually invest in our property on a year-over-year basis. We have introduced Mega Thrill Ride after Mega Thrill Ride over the past few years, including our Joker 4D Free Fly Spin Coaster, our Wicked Cyclone, and New England Sky Screamer, just to name a few. And in fact, we'll be announcing our exciting plans for 2019 in just a few months. But I would like to close by saying thank you, all of you, for joining us today. And not just those that are in attendance, but thank you to everyone in our local New England community that has made Six Flags New England a family tradition and the premier regional theme park anywhere in the country for well over 100 years. Thank you for joining us. Enjoy the ride.
Thank you so much, Pete. Now we would like to welcome to the stage Six Flags New England's communications manager, Jennifer Mcgrath.
Hi, everybody. Oh, good morning, and thank you so much for being here. I'm Jen Mcgrath, the communications manager here at Six Flags New England. I want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you of being here. Please give it up to our leading ladies joining us as well. Thank you so much for being here with us. Standing behind me is Harley Quinn Spinsanity. It's a 15-story tall pendulum ride that will swing back and forth at over 70 miles per hour. Currently, you guys were standing in formerly the South End. Once we opened the Riddler Revenge, we knew we had to retheme this to Gotham City. Gotham City is an iconic fictional city, iconically known from our movies and comic books of DC, villainous and superhero characters. Similarly, for those residents that live within Gotham City, they work for Wayne Enterprises that thrives on innovation and the latest in technology. They stir up all of the economic drive in Gotham City, and here at Six Flags, we do the same thing for Western Massachusetts. That deserves a huge round of applause. Being that we support economic growth, I want to welcome Dawn Creation. She's the president of Dress for Success, Western Massachusetts, and the nonprofit we are supporting today. Dawn, welcome, and thank you for being here. Dress for Success is an international nonprofit that inspires women to get back to work. Throughout their energy and relentless work that they do, they have helped over 1 million women get supported, get provided the business development, resume building, and clothes they need for interviews, and they've supported that jobs right here in America in Western Massachusetts. Thank you so much for the work that you, Dawn, and your team. Loading right now, we have clients for Dress for Success, women who have worked so hard to get back to work. And ladies, congratulations on getting a job and joining the economic drive we love here in Western Massachusetts. They are going to start loading that ride right now. To support Dress for Success, we've asked companies all throughout New England and beyond to purchase a chair that they are sitting on today. I'd like to thank those partners right now who graciously provided a donation. Northern Construction, let's give them a round of applause. The Coating House Incorporated, thank you. Alpha and Omega, who've been up with me since 2 a.m., thank you. Pink Incorporated, owner and project manager, thank you. Are you guys ready to see the check we were able to provide? Let's do it. All right, we've raised over $6,000 and the fundraising is not done. We are continuing to raise funds and our goal is over $10,000 for our buddy Don. But there's one more gift. We're gonna give you guys 200 tickets valued at $14,000 to give to the women every time they get a job. They and their family get a free ticket to Six Flags. Thank you, Don, so much. I almost got teary-eyed there. The work they do truly is amazing. Thank you, Don. It's incredible work. Margaret's out here as well, who also works for them. Thank you. All right. Are you guys ready to get this party started? That was good. It's supposed to say do that again, but you guys rocked it, so thank you. Harley Quinn Spinsanity is an extreme pendulum ride spanning 15 stories in the air. 40 riders embark on this journey, and they will spin round and round counter-clockwise. As the ride slowly increases in height, they'll gradually start to descend, and by gradually I mean expeditiously, 70 miles per hour, our second fastest ride. I think we're ready to get this party started. So in Gotham City, we have several rides around you that are iconic villains and superheroes. Gotham City first brought you Batman, The Dark Knight. Oh, that's right. I'd like to welcome my beloved superhero, Batman. Last year, some of you may remember we launched this ride, the Joker 4D Free Fly Coaster. And this year, it's no longer Mind Eraser. It's newly themed. It's better than ever. It's the Riddler Revenge. And for the first time ever here at Six Flags New England, we bring you the Riddler character our guests will be able to enjoy all summer long at the thrill capital of New England. And it looks like we have everything we need to do to get this party started today.
Oh, it's brilliant.
Again, first time ever, Harley Quinn, now featured as an iconic character here at Six Flags New England. She's maniacal, she's crazy, she spins, and she's insane. It's Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn, thank you so much for joining us. This ride is very intense, but I need your help. Will you do me the honors?
It would be my pleasure.
There you are. All right, folks, we need your help to get this ride started. And here at Six Flags, we like to be really loud, so we need your help. In 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that's right. Harley Quinn Spinsanity is now open here at Six Flags New England. We invite you, all of your family and friends, to join us here this summer. There is no place in New England with more rides, more slides, with over 100 attractions, experiences, and shows. We are proud to bring you Harley Quinn Spinsanity. For our guest, your lanyard, if you go straight ahead on the right-hand side, is the venue for lunch. 45-degree angle, 15 stories in the air, going from 0 to 70 in less than 3 seconds. Who's excited to ride? All right. Now, before I let you go on this ride, there's one true partner that we want to thank, who truly has been a partnership for us and brand new this year. Our friends at United Bank. Give us a nice wave, our friends, United Bank. They're over there in the blue. Come see them. First time ever, Six Flags New England and United Bank. A beautiful partnership, and we look forward to working with you more in the future. Thank you for all that you do. And you guys can fill that queue line. Get on in that ride. Our characters will be up front for photos, along with our leading ladies and crown title holders.